Welcome to today's class. In this class, we are going to see about break-even analysis, and also we are going to solve some basic problems in break-even analysis. Now let us see the basic definition of break-even analysis. First, the main objective of break-even analysis is to find the cut-off production volume from where the firm will make a profit. Okay, அதாவது வந்து break-even analysis is nothing but it is no profit or no loss point. Okay, no profit or no loss point அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து they will define using a break-even analysis. That point is called break-even point. That is, in short, it is called as PEP. Okay. And here there are some terms that we are using frequently in break-even analysis. That is S, small s, that is selling price per unit, and V, small v, which is variable cost per unit, and FC, which is fixed cost per period, and Q is the volume of production. Okay, Q is the volume of production. And we have some problems regarding total sales revenue, that is capital S, which is equal to small s into Q, that is the product of selling price per unit into volume of production. Next is total cost of the firm, that is TC, which is equal to total variable cost plus fixed cost. Okay, that is total variable cost அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து which is equal to variable cost per unit into volume of production plus fixed cost. Yeah. And we have some plot that shows the different explanation regarding break-even analysis. In this we have some terms. Yeah, sales, and the term sales we have here it is marked, and total cost, and the total variable cost, fixed cost. And this is the point where we are going to start where it is started going for total revenue. Okay, this is the total revenue line, and this is the total cost, and this is the place ரெண்டு பாயிண்ட் வந்து இங்க வந்து மீட் ஆகுதோ, that point is called break even point or break even analysis. ஓகேவா, அதாவது இந்த பாயிண்ட்டுக்கு அப்புறம் நமக்கு வர்றது எல்லாமே வந்து which is a profit. ஓகேவா, this which is a profit region. இந்த பாயிண்ட்டுக்கு கீழே உள்ள இந்த ரீஜன் எல்லாமே வந்து which is called loss. ஓகேவா, அதாவது இந்த பிஸ்னஸ் இருந்தாலும் அந்த பிஸ்னஸ் வந்து எடுத்தோன்னே we can't achieve profit. ஓகேவா, initially it will be we are facing some losses. At some point or some situation, it will make a profit. Okay, that point is called break even. Okay, or no profit. Sorry, no profit or no loss point. Yeah. And here, this is the break even sales, and here it is a fixed cost. Okay, fixed cost which is constant. And it is variable cost is also fixed. Total cost is also fixed. Okay, எல்லாமே வந்து fixed. That these are the assumptions. And I already told this point is also called no loss, no gain point. And at this point we can say a condition that the total cost is equal to total revenue. Okay, the point la pathina appadina total cost is equal to total revenue. This is something some important points and techniques of break-even analysis, and we'll see some formulas regarding break-even point of break-even analysis. First one is the firm will making a profit. For that we have to use the formula, that is profit is equal to sales minus fixed cost plus variable cost. Yeah, fixed cost plus variable cost. That is sales. Sales we can calculate by using the formula, that is selling price per unit into that is production. Okay, that is here we have seen the production. Okay, volume of production. Q is nothing but volume of production minus fixed cost plus variable cost per unit into volume of production. Okay, the formula வந்து கொஞ்சம் வந்து பார்த்து டீடைல் தான் வந்து we have to remember பண்ணிக்கணும். Then only we can apply in the problem. And then next we have to find the break-even quantity as well as break-even analysis sales quantity. Yeah. Break-even quantity is equal to fixed cost divided by selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit. And in short, it can written as FC divided by S minus P in units. And break-even sales quantity, which is equal to fixed cost divided by selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit into selling price per unit. The additional and the term multiple by selling price per unit. அதாவது அப்படியே வந்து அந்த பிரேக் ஈவன் இன்ஸ்டால் எப்படி சொல்லலாம் அப்படின்னா பிரேக் ஈவன் பாயிண்ட் பிரேக் ஈவன் குவான்டிட்டி இன்டு எஸ் இந்த டேர்ம் வந்து அப்படியே வந்துடும். பிரேக் ஈவன் குவான்டிட்டி நீங்கள் கண்டுபிடிச்சிங்க அப்படின்னா அந்த டேர்ம் அப்படியே வந்துடும் இன்டு செல்லிங் ப்ரைஸ் பெர் யூனிட் மட்டும் வரும். அப்படியே வரும். இஸ் ரெப்ரசன்ட் இன் ருபீஸ். And we have to calculate the contribution. Okay, contribution is nothing but the difference between the sales and the variable cost. Sales and the variable cost. And the margin of safety is the sales over and above the break-even sales. And we have the formula, that is contribution is equal to sales minus variable cost. Next is contribution per unit formula. Per unit we just mentioned. Okay, selling price per unit, variable cost per unit value. Per unit value original value or actual value. Okay, that is different. The production quantity, for example, 100 quantity, 100 product, 1000 products, we have to per unit which is different. Okay, per unit value rupees. Okay, 100. Then 100 100 product per unit value rupees 100 தான். அதே மாதிரி 1000 or 10,000 product per unit value is 100. Okay. Next is margin of safety, which is equal to actual sales minus break-even sales, which is equal to profit divided by contribution into sales. These are some important formulas. Okay, those are very important formulas. Contribution. Next is margin of safety and margin of safety ratio. Yeah, margin of safety ratio formula, and it is break-even sales quantity, break-even quantity, as well as profit. All are important formulas, and we will see some problems. Yeah, problems. Problem number 1. Alpha Associates has the following details, that is fixed cost is equal to rupees 20 lakh. Yeah. Next is variable cost per unit is equal to rupees 100. And the selling price per unit is equal to rupees 200. And we have to calculate A, the break-even sales quantity and the break-even sales. And the third one is if the actual production quantity is 60,000, then we have to find the contribution as well as margin of safety by all methods. Yeah. Only given. This is given. We have to write the given. Fixed cost, variable cost per unit, selling price per unit, and we can directly use the formula. Okay, the break-even quantity of we know the formula. Fixed cost divided by sales minus variable cost. That is 20 lakh divided by per unit. 200 minus 100. We can write. Okay, our formula per unit. 200 minus 100. 20 lakh. We can implement and we can find the value as 20,000 units. That is break-even quantity. And break-even sales into S, 20,000 into S. We can find the value, that is 40 lakh. Okay, that is 200 into multiple, that is 40 lakh. Break-even sales. And the contribution, we have to find the contribution, which is equal to sales minus variable cost. This is sales minus variable cost. Per unit per unit. We have to multiply by Q, that is volume of production. If the actual production quantity is 60,000, then so we have to, this is a Q. We have to multiply the S into Q, also V into Q. Yeah. Q is 60,000. Then if you calculate, then you will get the value 60 lakh rupees. And we have to find the margin of safety using two methods. The method 1. Okay, this is the method 1. Using the method 1, we can use the formula, that is sales minus break-even sales. Just to substitute the values. 60,000 into 200 minus 40 lakh. Calculate பண்ணி அப்படின்னா 80 lakh rupees. Okay, இது வந்து சேல்ஸ் வந்து நமக்கு தெரியும் அப்படிதானே. 60,000 ங்கிறது Q. இது வந்து S. Okay. ரெண்டத்தை மல்டிபிள் பண்ணி வந்து நம்ம ஏட்டோம். ஏன்னா பெர் யூனிட்னா நம்ம வெறும் 200 மட்டும் எடுப்போம். வெறும் சேல்ஸ் அப்படி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா we have to multiply the per unit value into the quantity, that is volume of production, Q, 80,000. Next, using the method 2, we have to find the margin of safety, profit divided by contribution into sales. Profit வந்து கண்டுபிடிக்கிற ஃபார்முலா இருக்கு. As we have seen in the previous slide, that is profit is equal to sales minus fixed cost plus variable cost into production. Okay, 60,000 into இது வந்து இங்க வந்து Q, இது வந்து Q. Okay, ஏன்னா per unit கிடையாது. அப்படிங்கறதுனால 60,000 into per unit sales 200 minus 20 lakh plus 100 into 60,000. அப்படியே வந்து you have to substitute. Then you will find the value is 40,000. Sorry, 40 lakh rupees. And we can find the margin of safety is equal to profit 40 lakh தெரியும். Next is contribution we already calculated. Contribution is 60 lakh. Therefore 40 lakh divided by 60 lakh into sales. Sales value என்னது? Sales value is 120 lakh or 1 crore 20 lakh, which is equal to 80 lakh rupees. Okay, 80 lakh rupees. And margin of safety as per as a percent of values, percentage la ketiranga apna 80 lakh divided by and it is 80 lakh divided by 1 crore 20 lakh into 100, and we will find the percent, that is 67%. This is about margin of safety, and we have to proceed the problems as this way. Okay, இந்த மாதிரி வந்து proceed பண்ணணும். Next we have another one formula, that is profit volume ratio. Okay, which is given by contribution divided by sales, which is equal to sales minus variable cost divided by sales. Okay, the formula. Another one is PEP, that is break even point, which is equal to fixed cost divided by profit volume ratio. And we can also relate margin of safety with profit volume ratio by margin of safety is equal to profit divided by profit volume ratio. This is related to our problem. That is problem number 2. Consider the following data of a company for the year 1997. Sales equal to rupees 1,20,000. Fixed cost is equal to rupees 25,000. Variable cost is equal to rupees 45,000. Find the following, that is contribution, B is profit, C is PEP, that is break even point, D is margin of safety. This formula வந்து அப்படியே வந்து அப்ளை பண்ணா போதும். ஓகே, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இஸ் கான்ட்ரிபியூஷன், which is equal to sales minus variable cost. சேல்ஸ் வந்து கொடுத்துட்டாங்க, நீங்க பெர் யூனிட்லாம் கொடுக்கல, ஜஸ்ட் டைரக்டாவே கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. தென் யூ கேன் டைரக்ட்லி அப்ளை. டைரக்டா வந்து வேல்யூஸ் அப்படியே அப்ளை பண்ணா போதும். அப்போ 1,20,000 minus 45,000, that is 75,000 rupees. Next profit ஃபைன் பண்ணோம். ப்ராஃபிட் இஸ் கான்ட்ரிபியூஷன் மைனஸ் ஃபிக்ஸட் காஸ்ட், தட் இஸ் 75,000 minus 25,000, which is 50,000. Next is PEP, that is profit volume ratio, which is equal to contribution divided by sales. நம்மளுக்கு PEP வந்து கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் அப்படின்னா ப்ராஃபிட் வால்யூம் ரேஷியோ தெரியணும், அப்படிதானே? அப்போ வந்து ப்ராஃபிட் வால்யூம் ரேஷியோ கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அதோட வேல்யூ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 62.50%. நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து PEP கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், ஃபிக்ஸட் காஸ்ட் டிவைடட் பை profit volume ratio. Fixed cost தெரியும், profit volume ratio தெரியும், into 100, that is the percentage இருக்க into 100 போயிடும். ஓகே, which is equal to 40,000 rupees. அதே மாதிரி margin of safety அதுவும் கண்டுபிடிச்சலாம். ப்ராஃபிட் தெரியும், profit volume ratio தெரியும், then we will find 80,000 rupees. Okay, this is about the simple problem, and we have some exercise problem. Okay, the problem is the exercise problem. You can solve this problem and submit as assignment. Yeah, exercise problem, simple problem, the same procedure that what we have followed in the previous problem. அதே மாதிரி வந்து கொஞ்சம் அடிஷ்னல் ப்ராப்ளம், கொஞ்சம் டிஃபிகல்ட்டி அதிகமான ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் வந்து நம்ம நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் பார்ப்போம். ஓகேவா? தேங்க்யூ.